G'day cocktail lovers. This is a Negroni variation called a Cocogroni. It actually has fewer ingredients than a traditional Negroni, and the gin has been swapped out for a coconut rum. You could use the coconut rum or coconut rum liqueur of your choice. This one I actually made myself, a white rum that I fat washed with some coconut oil, and it came out really nice. Just a nice mouthfeel in there and a rich coconut taste in it. And again, here's one for the regulars. You know I'm not going to be using Campari. Campari is the traditional bitter red aperitivo that goes in a Negroni. It's simply too bitter for me, even in small amounts. And it's not in small amounts in this. The aperitivo bit is 30 mils. I'm using this local one. This is actually made by a distillery that does rye whiskey. They've done what they call just a fresh orange Amaro, and I think it actually has their rye base, but it's like 23% ABV, so it's not that strong. For the sweet vermouth part, this is an Australian sweet vermouth from South Australia, Unico's Yuzu vermouth. Very red, makes for a super red drink when you use it. It certainly presents well, that great red colour from the vermouth in particular, and I'm using my sexy clear ice. And I always like to self-promo when I do that. I have the easiest and most cost-effective and space-saving way for doing that. If you've not seen my video of doing that, it'll be at the end of this. There'll be a link to see it. It's easy and gets great results. Makes your drinks look sexy. But how does it taste? It tastes pretty good. So this one's probably slightly more bitter than Aperol, but nowhere near as bitter as Campari. But of course, use something that is to your tastes. This is to my tastes, and here's how I made it. In mixing glass, put 1 ounce or 30 mils of coconut rum, then add 1 ounce or 30 mils of bittersweet red aperitivo, and finally 1 ounce or 30 mils of sweet vermouth. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then strain that into a rocks glass over a big chunk of sexy clear ice ideally. And for garnishes, I'm using a twist of orange peel and a maraschino cherry on a skewer. Which gives us the Cocogroni, which is a nice twist on a traditional Negroni. If you like mixing things up, I think this is a good one to try out, particularly if you do like Negronis. And if you're like me, Campari is too much, use something milder, whether that's a well-known drink like Aperol, or maybe something from a local producer like I have. But find something that works for you and give it a go and try the Cocogroni. Let me know how it goes, and please do come back again sometime real soon. Love to see you back. Until I do see you, I will say cheers.